Hi, good morning everyone. After the Guam Island, next stop would be Secret Sandbar. The name was a little bit more funny. We will get the explanation along the way. Everyone relaxing right now. Currently, we are leaving the Guam Island. You can have one last good look at Guam Island. The secret sandbar located 2 kilometers away from the Guam Island. So everybody looking, what is the secret about it? Supposed to be visible right now. So we are looking for the sandbar. Where is it?
No.
That one?
Yeah, that one. On the secret, no bar.
No bar. So you cannot see anything. Basically,
You're locking the bar. Where's the bar?
So basically, we cannot see.
Yeah.
That is
I
secret.
see you locking the bar. Where's the bar? Only secret. But now it's not a secret.
So
because
no-
now you're
no more secret.
all over here.
So after this, no more secret.
Yeah, no secret. Okay, guys, it's a secret sandbar.
The sandbar supposed to be visible, but is under the water. So it is secret. That's why it's called secret sandbar. So the Guam Island behind me, you can see from here. What you're seeing right now, this is the secret sandbar. Here, diving is not allowed, so I'm very disappointed. So I'm going to casually walk into the secret sandbar. It is 5 feet deep. No? No?
You can stand on sand during
Yeah. I can dive also, but he won't allow me. I can dive also. So I tried to look for the secret sandbar. This quite beautiful. The water is aqua blue. And the sandbar is very radiant. Not much do in secret sandbar. So we are moving to Daku Island.
Somebody just lurched forward, now you've gone to the front. The weight of massive head.
Daku Island is one of the biggest islands you can see in Siargao. See the water, very aqua blue. So it looks like a heaven. If you like this video so far, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. We are approaching Daku Island. Look at that. Beautiful aqua blue water. This island have a plenty of coconut trees. He is the tour guide. His name is Dante. He is from Daku Island.
Dante, my name is Dante. Yes, I live here.
Wow, look at the water.
I'm very solo now.
Okay.
I'm really worrying about the clouds coming through our way. It can be disaster for the next islands or maybe this island because any movement it can reach us. So I rushed to take a drone shot. Already the climate a little bit changed. But the volleyball players doesn't care whether rain or sunshine. They play hard. They also came for the island hopping. Their time they're spending like this. Beautiful shot. Very good serve. Great placement. Beautiful serve. Either way, I had to fly my drone because I'm losing daylight. The climate is changing every second. So many boats over here. Lot of coconut trees. Look at the red boat down there. That is the main area. All the entrance, even the lunch served over here. We had a great lunch. The beach was very clean. You can see the Guam Island on your right corner. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. Subscribe would be awesome.